Welcome to MDC Learning. Students, today I'm going to teach you the subject Financial Accounting and we'll be solving one more problem on investment accounting. As I always tell you, the practice make man perfect. The more you practice, the more you understand and you'll be able to solve the practical problem in the examination very nicely. Again, I'll repeat, all the chapters in the TY are for 20 marks. So this problem subject is also for the 20 marks. Chalo, let's read the problem, understand the problem and then start solving the problem. Mr. Shivam holds 1000 holds. Again I tell you holds matlab opening stock. 1000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each in TM Limited as on 1st April at the cost of rupees 1,20,000. Easily given. Nominal value will get 1000 multiplied by 100, that comes to 1 lakh, and the cost they have directly given you, it is 1,20,000. Interest is payable half yearly on 30th September and 31st March every year. Transaction for the year as follows. See, purchase, sold, purchase, we'll see later on. The books of accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Prepare investment account in 10% debenture in the books of Shivam for the year ended 31st March. The market value of above investment on 31st March 2017 was rupees 1,30,000. This was asked in TY BCom 2017, just 3 years ago, bachcho. Okay, let's start solving it. Now, as I told you, you have to make a pro forma very nicely. So, in the books of Mr. Shivam, investment account in 10% debentures in TMT Limited for the year ended 31st March. Due date of interest is 10 September and 31st March. So, you are having 1st April. Yes. What is in the 1st April? You write here to balance brought down. Am I correct? See, NA value we have already calculated. It is coming to 1 lakh. And income, we'll see it later on. And capital, they have directly given you, it was 1,20,000. Now see students, 1st April is your opening date and last interest you receive on 31st March. एक दिन पहले ही आपको इंटरेस्ट मिला है. Am I correct? 31st March को इंटरेस्ट मिला है and now your company's opening date is 1st April. That means interest will be 0. There will be no interest calculation. एक ही दिन पहले मिला है ना. We try to find out a difference when there is a difference in the months. चलो ये हो गया. Now we'll go to the second part. On 30th June. Yeah. So your working note number 1. You have received last interest on 31st March. We saw it ना, because अप्रैल से पहले मार्च आता है, मैंने आपको अभी बोला. करेक्ट. चलो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1. Yeah. Now see, 30th June 2016, you have purchased 500 units for 102 at garment race. Am I correct? You're purchasing this unit. Now see, your ending is 31st March. So March, and next interest due is on 30th September. So September से पहले June आता है ना. So everything is correct. So we'll start solving the problem. So first is, हमेशा I tell you, calculate your face value. Yes, how many units you're selling? 500 units. Price is 100 rupees. So कितना आएगा? Yes, it comes to 50,000. Correct. Then sale price. Yes, again कितना बेचा आपने? 500 units. एक का प्राइस कितना है? 102. So tell me what will be the price. So we'll be using a calculator. Yes. So 500 into 102. that is coming to 51,000. That is coming to how much? 51,000. Okay students, chalo. After that you have calculation of interest. Yes, अभी देखो इंटरेस्ट आपको लास्ट मार्च में मिला था, सो आपका पेंडिंग कब से? अप्रैल, अप्रैल के बाद मई, और उसके बाद देखो इस बार आपने कौन सी तारीख को खरीदा? यू हैव परचेज ऑन 30 जून, यानी कि जून का भी पूरा महीना आएगा ना, लास्ट डे आपने खरीदा है। सो देखिए आपको इंटरेस्ट आपको मार्च 31 मार्च को मिला था, इसलिए आपका ड्यू इज अप्रैल, मई और जून। दैट मीन्स इंटरेस्ट ड्यू इज फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 3 मंथ्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो इंटरेस्ट ड्यू इज फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 3 मंथ्स। चलो कैलकुलेट, इंटरेस्ट इज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट ऑन द फेस वैल्यू। क्या परसेंटेज है? 10/100 इंटू 3/12। ये 3 कैसे आया? देखो अप्रैल, मई एंड जून। चलो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? गम है बच्चों, इसलिए हम उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे। आपको मैंने बताया है ये बात, गम मतलब यू विल बी माइनसिंग इट एंड देन यू व्हाट फिगर यू गेट दैट विल बी योर करेक्ट फिगर। चलो 10%, that is coming to 5,000. So 5,000 divide by 12 multiply by 3. So you're getting 1250. So your 1250 is your interest. Now actual price, अभी क्या होता है, whenever there is a gum interest, हम लोग price change हो जाता है. Do you remember it? Because see, gum interest is what your purchase. Now see, this interest does not belongs to you. Why? Because you have invested money from 1st July. 30th June मतलब 1st July. So आपको interest is applicable from 1st July. But ये gum है, इसलिए ये interest भी आपको मिलने वाला है. So आपको exactly ये investment कितने का पड़ा? तो आपको 51,000 का नहीं पड़ा। 51,000 आप इसमें से 51,000 माइनस करोगे, बिकॉज 51,000 के अगेंस्ट में आपको ये 1250 आपको इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है। सो योर इंटरेस्ट कमिंग टू 49,750। मैंने आपको बोला है, पता है, वेन एवर इट इज अ गम इंटरेस्ट, तो ये जो प्राइस है इसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, सो ये कट हो जाता है। सो फॉर अस दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट नाउ, for us this is important here. Okay, now purchase है, तो purchase मतलब nothing else. Sales होता है तो we try to remove what we try to remove? Profit or loss on the sale. Now face value will be 50,000, interest is 1250 and capital will be 49,750. So कौन सी तारीख को आपने खरीदा? 30th जून। ओके, क्या खरीदा आपने? बैंक। सो आएगा टू बैंक अकाउंट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, चलो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1, कितने का यूनिट्स खरीदा आपने? 50,000 का। इंटरेस्ट आपको मिला 1250 और आपको कितने में मिला? 49,750। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड बच्चों? नाउ दिस इज बिकम वेरी कॉमन। आप खरीद रहे हो, इंटरेस्ट निकाल रहे हो और कैपिटल है। ओके चलो गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन आप कर रहे हो 1 अक्टूबर, लेकिन 1 अक्टूबर से पहले आता है 30 सितंबर। एम आई करेक्ट? अक्टूबर से पहले क्या आता है? 30 सितंबर। तो 30 सितंबर यानी कि आपका इंटरेस्ट डेट ड्यू हो गया। तो चलो हम पहले तो इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे जो हमें मिलने वाला है। सो लेट्स कम टू वर्किंग नोट नंबर 2। यस, व्हाट इज दैट? कैलकुलेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। एम आई करेक्ट? नाउ इंटरेस्ट आपका कौन से महीने का आ रहा है? देखिए, नाउ यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग योर इंटरेस्ट ऑन 30 सितंबर, बिकॉज आगे हमें ये सब चीज़ें काम आने वाली है। यू नो व्हेन आई टेल यू कि हमें इंटरेस्ट एंड ऑल परचेज करते समय, तो यह याद है सितंबर। ओके, 30 सितंबर। नाउ सी व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज a 6 monthly, once in a 6 months you interest है। How much unit you are having on 30th September? See, you are having a NAV value of 1,50,000. So आपको 1,50,000 के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, चलो, so you will be having an interest on 1,50,000 कितना है आपका 10%. Percent is always divided by 100 into 6 by 12 because it is half yearly. Am I correct? Chalo, tell me what is the interest now. So 1,50,000 into 10%. Yes, that is coming to 15,000. So 15,000 divide by 12 and multiply by 6. So your interest is coming to 7,500. So your interest is how much? 7,500. Okay. Chalo, let's write it here. On 30th September, we are not able to write, students, but you will be writing it fully because you will be using 2 pages as a writing work. So bank account. Okay. Why it's going down? Chalo, bank account, working note number 2, you'll be writing fully. It's not permitting me, so I'm writing little bit smaller. Okay, it is 7,500. Okay, चलो उसके बाद आपने कब क्या किया इवेंट? आपने उसके बाद किया 1st October. अगेन आपने परचेज किया. ओके, दिस टाइम इट इज एक्स इंटरेस्ट. चलो, वर्किंग नोट नंबर 3. Again you are purchasing. We'll go to the next page. चलो, क्या किया आपने? अगेन यू हैव परचेज व्हेन ऑन 1st October. सो एवरी टाइम आई टेल यू, सबसे पहले आएगा फेस वैल्यू. आई थिंक ये अभी एवरीबडी, दिस इज माई 7th प्रॉब्लम. Everybody knows what I'm expecting from you all. So 500 into 100, so that comes to 50,000. After that you will be having purchase price. Yes, purchase price is again 500 into 97. So this time it is an x interest, मतलब interest will be calculated by the person who is selling it. तो हम लोगों का वो माइनसिंग इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है. 500 into 97. So your selling price is 48, purchase price is 48,500. अच्छा स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे मैंने सेल प्राइस लिखा है आई थिंक सो फर्स्ट वाले में. इट इज नॉट सेल प्राइस, इट इज परचेज प्राइस. Okay, and this is actual price. Okay, that will not change. Chalo, and then after this what you are going to write? Calculation of interest. चलो, इंटरेस्ट आपको कब लास्ट मिला है? सितंबर में. और आपने 1st अक्टूबर को ही खरीदा बच्चों. देखो 30th सितंबर को आपको मिला इंटरेस्ट और 1st अक्टूबर को आपको खरीदा. तो इंटरेस्ट इज नील. Interest is nil because in the same day you have purchased it. So interest will come to 0 because next day आपने खरीदा. Okay students, चलो let's go ahead. So we'll write here on 1st October to bank account. ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने कैपिटल लिया है बी, इसीलिए नहीं आ रहा है. बैंक अकाउंट. ओके, चलो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 3 क्या आएगा? कितने का यूनिट्स खरीदा मैंने? 50,000 का. इंटरेस्ट मैंने आपको बोला 0 है क्योंकि देखो आपने सितंबर में और अक्टूबर में, आज इंटरेस्ट कल इंटरेस्ट मिला और आज आपने खरीद लिया. सो वो एक्स हो या गम हो, उससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज एग्जैक्टली ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे यू आर बाइंग इट. ओके, चलो now that is also over. Now we'll come to the transaction number 3 on 31st December. See, next interest you'll be getting in on the 31st March. So 31st March को मिल रहा है, यानी कि ये भी हमारा नेक्स्ट उसमें ही आ रहा है. तो लेट्स डू दैट नाउ. दिस इज वर्किंग नोट नंबर Yes, students, so we will be now doing it. Working note number 4. Yes, so working note number 4 is on 31st December sold 700 units at gum of 1110. 110 रुपए का आपने एक यूनिट बेचा. चलो, first is what? Always face value. So face value is how much? 700 into 100. That comes to 70,000. Correct? After face value, you are going to write sale price. इस बार sale ही है. So sale price is 700 into 110. So what will be the sale price? 700 into 110. That comes to 77,000. Yes. So that will come to 77,000. Now interest. Now tell me, interest हमें लास्ट कब मिला है? देखो, हमें 30th सितंबर को मिला है. Am I correct? So our interest is due from October, November. Now see, इस बार देखो, every time you are selling either on the first day या last day. तो ये वाला भी आप देखो last day है, यानी कि आपको दिसंबर का भी पूरा इंटरेस्ट आएगा. Am I correct? So the October, November, December. So the interest is coming for 3 months. 70,000 into 10 upon 100 into 3 by 12. It's 3 by 12. Yes, see, it's a gum interest, so I'm writing in the bracket. Chalo. Yes, so you'll be calculating interest. So interest is 70,000 into 10%, that comes to 7,000. So 7,000 divided by 12 multiply by 3. Okay, students, so that is coming to 1750. So the interest is coming to 1750. और बच्चों, आपको मैंने बोला है, आपको पता है ना, गम इंटरेस्ट होगा तो क्या होता है? It will be minus from your quoted sale price. Again, I'll tell you what do you mean by gum interest. Gum interest मतलब the interest belong to the buyer. Okay. So ये आपको exactly ये प्राइस पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सी आपने इन्वेस्ट, आपका पैसा था, आपने इन्वेस्ट किया था, लेकिन आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, सामने वाले को मिल रहा है. सो आपको इतने का और नुकसान हो गया. चलो, टेल मी कितना आ रहा है नया फिगर? यस, व्हाट इज द फिगर? 1750 minus 77,000. Okay, so that is coming to 75,250. So 75,250. Now again I'll repeat. Now this value is of no use. Okay, because why this is of no use? Because it is gum interest. It is what? It is gum interest. Okay, students. So I have written figure properly. That is 75,250. Okay. Now बच्चों sales है, तो sales है तो क्या होता है? Whenever there is a sale, what is more important? There is one more working note which comes, which is called as calculation of profit or loss on sale. That is calculation of profit and loss. कैसे निकालेंगे? हम सबसे पहले निकालेंगे cost price. Now cost price आपको मैंने बताया कैसे आता है. How you get the cost price? You are going to add all the debit capital and minus with the credit capital. So you don't have anything in the credit. So you have only in the debit. So you will be adding all your debit total. Chalo, what is your debit total? 1,20,000 plus 49 49,750 plus 48,500. Yes, students. So now the total is 2,18,250. So your total is coming to 2,18,250. And how much is your NAV ka total? Your NAV ka total is coming to how much? It is coming to 10, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and it is coming to 2 lakhs. Okay, so it is what are you going to do? So your cost price, I'll just see it once again. It is 2,18,250. It is 2,18,250. So you are going to write here 2,18,250 divided by, see, NAV price was 2 lakhs, multiply by 100. That is the formula I have taught you. Okay, chalo, tell me what is the price for per unit, cost price for per unit. So divide by 2 lakh, multiply by 100. Yes, so price per unit is coming to 109 rupees and 125 paise. So this is coming to 109.25. Okay, so what is a cost price? So cost price for unit sold. Yes, how many units you have sold? You have sold how much? We have sold 700 units, multiply by 109.125. It is, I think it was 125. Yeah, I have not written here 1. So what is your cost price? Multiply by how much? 700 units. So you're getting a price as 76,388. You know, you can write 76,388. So your cost price is coming to 76,388. So your cost price is 76,388. Yes, now this is your cost price. So what is your selling price? Yes, your selling price. Yes, now see, what was your selling price, bacho? See, your selling price was 75,250. So 75,250. So what is your you're having a profit or loss? Now see, selling price is 75 and cost price is 76. So obviously you're having a loss. देखो, हमेशा कंपेयर करने का, सेलिंग प्राइस ज्यादा है, कॉस्ट प्राइस कम है तो प्रॉफिट है, कॉस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा है और सेलिंग प्राइस कम है तो लॉस है. सो चलो, व्हाट इज योर लॉस? दैट इज 76,388 माइनस 75,250. चलो, क्या आ रहा है आपका लॉस? माइनस 75,250. So you're getting a loss of 1138. So your loss is coming to 1138. See, अगर आप राउंड अप से करोगे तो बेटा परफेक्टली आएगा. मैंने वो वैसे किया था, आपको नहीं समझा तो देखो 76388 माइनस 75250. ओके स्टूडेंट, देखो 1388. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट. नाउ सी, 1138 is a loss. Your NAV sold is 70,000, interest is 1750, and 75,250 will come in capital. So you are selling it on which date? You are selling it on 31st December. So you write here 31st DE. Okay, you are going to write here to bank account. Working note number 4. What is the working note number 4? NAV value you have sold is 70,000. Yes, 1250 was interest, and how much you got it? You got it 75,250, and then you had a loss. So 31st December to profit and loss account. Yes, working note number 5. Loss is always recorded on the credit side and profit is recorded on the debit side. 1138. Understood, students? See, every time we are doing the same. We are purchasing, we are selling, we are purchasing, and we are selling. Okay, now chalo, let's go to the next transaction. The next transaction is again a sale, but this sale is taken place on 1st of Feb. You are selling how much? 300 units. Okay, chalo, let's do that. Chalo, working note number. See, here in this working note only plays a very important role. Chalo, on 1st Feb, again same, I think we don't have to say it, same value. कितने का वैल्यू का बेचा आपने? 300 into 100, that comes to 30,000. चलो, पर सेल प्राइस इस बार x है, तो जो सेल प्राइस होगा कोटेड होगा, that will be only the sale price which will be considering. So 300 into 98, x मतलब जो बंदा बेच रहा है उसी का इंटरेस्ट है ना, into 98. So that is coming to 29,400. So that is coming to 29,400. Again, इंटरेस्ट सी, ये हमेशा ये सब चार चीजें तो होती है, परचेज हो या सेल हो. आपको इंटरेस्ट कब मिला है? लास्ट सितंबर, 30 सितंबर. सो अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी. ओके, नाउ सी, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, 1st 5 को तो आपने बेच दिया. सो अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, हाउ मेनी? 4 months पेंडिंग. सो 30,000 into 10% into 4 डिवाइड बाय 12. चलो निकालो इंटरेस्ट. So interest is always calculated on the cost price. So 30,000 into 10 percentage, that is coming to 3,000. So 3,000 divide by 12, multiply by 4. You're multiplying with 4. It is coming to 1,000. So interest is 1,000. Okay students, as this is the X price, आपको यहाँ पे रुक जाना है. In explanation also I told you X price is equivalent to the sale price. Only in gum price the sale price changes. Now the next one is 7th one. What is the 7th one? The 7th one is calculation of loss on sale. Yes, calculation of sales. So आपको सबसे पहले क्या निकालना है? Cost price. Now see, again I'll repeat how you're going to remove a cost price. The cost price is equal to total of debit minus the credit. Now see, you are having total of debit is how much? 1,20,000. हम लोग डायरेक्ट यहाँ से भी माइनस करके ले जा सकते हैं. 1,20,000 plus 49,750 plus 48,500 minus 7,5,250 minus 1,138. सो आपको डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है? 1,41,860. और सी यहाँ पे 1,150, दिस इज बिकम 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs में से 70 गया तो कितना बचा? 1,30,000. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, चलो द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज हाउ मच? Yes, the cost price was how much? 1,41,350. Am I correct? 1,41,000. Your cost price was 41,862. Now see, it is correct. 1,41,864. You had how many? 2 lakhs on your debit side. 70,000 you have sold out. You are left out with 1,30,000. Multiply by 100. So you will get sale cost price per unit. So divide by 1,30,000. Multiply by 300. Sorry, multiply by 100. So students, you are getting how much? You are getting it is 109.125 will take. Yes, so you are saying मिस वो सेम तो है मिस, लास्ट टाइम भी हमें यही मिलता, बच्चों सेम ही मिलेगा ना. Why? बिकॉज आपने इन बिटवीन ना कुछ परचेज किया है ना कुछ सेल्स किया है, सो द फिगर विल बी सेम. सो योर कॉस्ट प्राइस इज yes, your cost price is equal to how many units you have sold? 300 multiply by 109.125. Okay, chalo bolo how much it is coming. Multiply by 300 units. When you multiply by 300 units, you are getting 32,737. So you are getting your 32,737. That is your say cost price. Your sale price. Yes, students, your sale price is how much? See, here it is 29,400. Because sale price 29,000 hai, cost price 32,000. So obviously you are going to suffer a loss. So your loss is 32,737 minus 29,400 is your loss. Chalo, it is 32,737 minus 29,400. So you are having a loss of how much? You are having a loss of 7,337. 3,337 is your loss. So your loss is 3,337. Chalo students, will make a entry. See, in the sales you have 30,000 will go in face value, 29,000 in capital, 1,000 in interest, and loss is how much? 3,337. Chalo. So you are selling it on 1st of Feb. So 1st Feb, you'll write here to bank account. Yes, working note number 6. Yes, you're selling how many? 30,000 units. Yes, your interest is 1,000. 1,000, you're selling it for 29,400. Same day you're having a loss. So you're going to write here to profit and loss account, working note number 7. Your loss is 3,337. 3,337. We have already seen it. Okay, students. Chalo, let's go ahead. Now, last but not the least, you are again purchasing some units on 1st of March. Okay, you're purchasing on 1st March. Again, it is a gum interest. Remember, student, gum interest means interest is belong to you and not the seller. So, working note number 8. So, working note number 8. Yes, what are you doing on 1st March? You're purchasing. Again, same way. Face. Always, same thing you are doing, bacho. Very easy chapter. See that you do it very nicely. So your at least 20 marks it's with you. So 200 multiply by 100. So that comes to 20,000. Chalo. It is purchase price. Yes, purchase price is 200 into 105. Can you see? 105. So it is 200 into 105. So that is coming to 21,000. So 21,000. चलो अगेन इंटरेस्ट, ये सब चीज़ें आप हर बार कर रहे हो. सो आई थिंक अब आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा. इंटरेस्ट, आपको इंटरेस्ट लास्ट कब मिला था? सितंबर में. सो आपका पेंडिंग है अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, February. Now March, why we are not taking March? Because it's on the 1st March. Okay, students. So देखो October, November, December, January, February. How many months interest? 5 months. So you have sold it for 20, purchased it for 20,000 into 10 upon 100 into 5 by 12. चलो remove it now. Gum मतलब you are going to minus it in the price. Yes, चलो 20,000 into 10%, that comes to 2,000. So 2,000 divided by 12 multiply by 5, you are getting 833 as your interest. Yes, 833 is your interest. So your interest will come here 833. Okay, students. So minus. So now actual purchase price. You when it is gum, you're going to minus it. So what is your actual purchase price? So actual purchase price is 21,000 minus 833. So you're getting a sale price of 20,167. So 20,167. Again, when it is a gum interest, this price is of no use to us. Okay, students, this price is not at all useful. Now purchase. Purchase means nothing else, no profit, no loss finding. So 20,000 will go in face value, 833 will go in interest, and 20,137 will go in your this capital column. So first March. To bank account, working note number 8, you have purchased for 20,000 units. Yes, interest is 833 and you are purchasing it for 20,167. Now students, what is left out? 31st March interest calculation is left out. So we'll do the interest calculation for 31st March. Before that, you can remove this balance of at least this. This is how much? 2,20,000. So here also it comes to 2,20,000. So you are remaining with how much? So 1 lakh minus हुआ तो 1,20,000. So you are having 1,20,000. See 31st March को आपके पास कितना units बचा है? 1,20,000. So you will be getting interest on 1,20,000. So let's calculate the interest. Working note number 9. Calculation of interest. For which month you are calculating interest for? 31st March. Chalo, students, tell me how many units are left out with you? 1,20,000 into 10% into 6 by 12. Why? Because you are calculating interest on which basis? On half yearly basis. So 1,20,000 into 10%, that comes to 1,20,000 divided by 12 multiplied by 6. That comes, अरे क्या हुआ? 12,000 divided by 12 multiplied by 6. That comes to 6,000. So interest is coming to 6,000. So your interest is coming here as 6,000. Now balance you're going to remove. You know, always capital account have a debit balance. Why? Because it's an asset. Chalo, let's do the totaling of this. 1,20,000 plus 49,750 plus 48,500 plus 20,167. So total is coming to 2,38,000. 2,38,417. Here also you will be getting 2,38,417. Okay students, चलो माइनस करके फिगर देखो. माइनस 75,250 wrong है ना. 75,250 minus 1138 minus 29,400 minus 3,337. So you are getting what? Your figure is coming to 1,29,992. And here they have given you the closing value was 1,30,000. So we take whichever is less. So less is less is this much only. So we'll write here 1,29,292. Okay students, we take whichever is less. So here you're going to have it to balance carried down. Now everything is over, only the interest part is remaining. Now interest is an income, so your credit side will be bigger compared to your debit side. Okay students, chalo 7,500 plus 1,250 plus 1,000 plus 6,000, that is coming to 50. एक minute. This working note number 7, that is working note number 4. Interest was 1,750 and I've written 1,250. This is 1,750. Then okay, chalo once again we'll do the totaling of it. Yes, 7,500 plus 1,750 plus 1,000 plus 6,000. So that is coming to 16,250. So here it is 16,250. So minus 1,250 minus 833. So you're getting an interest 14,167. So you're getting 14,167. So this will go on 31st March, where it will go to profit and loss account. Okay, not here, not in NAV. It goes in income column. So income is 14167. That is only the answer now. I just skip out the figures. You know, here also it was 1,000.